Mike Hughes here. I'm at Folding Fins, world's first design fin, but it's a different design. Maximilian is here. You want to tell us a little about your product?
Hello, my name is Max, and we are here at the DIMA show. Here in my hands I hold folding fins. Our main idea was to bring the idea closer to people. We rejected the standards and moved towards the innovation and the best materials available on the market. Thanks to this, we were able to create a revolutionary product called folding fins.
So it's kind of like a fan projecting out when you're ready to go.
Right.
Cool. And then also, I guess you can make it into any color you want. These would be, I don't know, rescue fins colors.
Yes, of course.
So it can be put in any color. And what I noticed too is that they're really lightweight.
Right.
And you actually have a bag that they come in. I'll come over to here, and they can see the bag real quickly. So it's lightweight, and it's easy to put in your backpack or suit because you don't have them widespread apart. So it'd be great for traveling.
Right, you're right. They are great, especially for traveling, thanks to it lightweight and low gabarites. You just press a button here, and they fold like this. You can put them in your, here maybe in the backpack, like pretty everywhere.
Yeah.
The key to innovation is, of course, folding, but also 4 points of adjustment, which means that our fins are only one size. You don't
one
need
size fits all.
Yeah, sure.
Unless you're Bigfoot.
Yes, but even the Bigfoot, even the small foot, so like they both.
Right. And then if they want more information about the folding fins, they can't go to foldingfins.com. I don't know if they can see it on their card.
Yes.
But I've tried to do it there.
Yes.
So I think that wraps it up. Did we cover everything?
Yes, sure.
Perfect.
You're right.
Thank you.
Thank you.